Hello, dear friends. I hope you are doing good and welcome to our Tech Helpline channel.
Hey, hello everyone. How are you? And I hope you guys are doing very well. Guys, you can see on my screen, I have just opened my YouTube channel, and that is Tech Helpline, right? That is Social Tech Helpline. So, welcome to the our YouTube channel. As I said, Social Tech Helpline. Guys, today I'm not going to show, or I haven't prepared any, presentation or any chapter or any tutorial to share with you. Guys, today we are just going to discuss about my one of the blogs, right? So might be most of the people are already aware about that blog, or maybe not, right? Let me tell you more about that blog. Guys, few days back I have started to just create the blog on the Google. Okay, I have decided to create that blog because most of the time you guys are not able to understand, right? Or unable to understand the concepts through these YouTube channels, right? What I have done, right? Whatever I'm going to create tutorials or any videos on the YouTube channel related to the technical programmings, and related to the general awareness, general knowledge, and regarding the interview preparations, right? So for those videos, I'll also be I will be creating the writing the blogs. Okay. So that will help you guys, right, uh, to go through the same subject, or the video which I have been already created. So this is the YouTube channel. Okay, so the Tech Helpline, you can always find this channel on the YouTube channel. Okay, and why I'm creating this today's video, because it will help you guys also to create your own blog, and you can, so that you can write your own blogs based on your understanding, and also you can uh, publish anything whatever you want to publish, right? And also you can create in future you can also create the YouTube channel, and also publish your videos in YouTube channel as well as in a blog. Okay, I'll tell you the my experience, okay, which I experienced while creating my YouTube channel and creating my blog. Okay, let me show you the blog. Okay, so let me show you the blog. So you just need to search here. Okay, so HTTPS. Here you can see we are getting auto suggestion, right? So this is the endpoint or URL, we can say, of the blog. So let me open this. Here you can see HTTPS socialtechhelpline.blogspot.com. Right now it's created on the YouTube. Sorry, right now it's created on the Google. So the host name and the domain name you can see as blogspot.com. Okay, so let me hit the enter button. So it's loading. Yeah, it, yeah, here you can see it's loaded. So see, this is the UI of my blog. So here you can see this is the my blog name, that is Social Tech Helpline. Okay, and under this blog, I'm trying to cover these kind of topics, like first is the interview preparation, software programming, technical tutorials, SDLC, STLC, general awareness, and Wikipedia, blogs, and soft skills. So, so apart from these topics, okay, general SDLC, whatever you can see here, right? So apart from that, suppose if you don't find any information which you wanted to look, right? So for that you can always search your so for that purpose I have added the Wikipedia option. So under the I'll explain the each and every component or each and every functionality of this block. So here you can see basically the UI looks like this. UI looks like this. Okay. So so this is the recent post which I have been I think posted around October 30 only. Okay. So means today only. Okay. So this is the one of the post, and let me just go through you the menu items. So here you can see this is the Wikipedia. You can search anything, right? So whatever queries or questions you have in your mind that you can search here. For example, if you want to know about the selenium, right? So let's just type the selenium, and click on this submit button. So here it will give the results. So you can click on the relevant hyperlink. So it will forward you or redirect you to the that specific page. Okay, so you can search or find anything whatever you want. Okay, so you don't need to go any other search engines. You can search anything from this block itself. So so this is the one more functionality I have just added. You can see so far 43,788 visitors have visited this my blog. Okay, so this is about the visitor section. And next, search by tags. Search by tags here you can search based on the relevant tag. For example, here you can see there are multiple tags are listed. So you can pick one of the tags as a tag. Okay, so here you can see, for example, let's click on this QA. So once you clicked on this, okay, once you clicked on this, let's see this first. So it will take you on to this QA section phase. So here you can see the posts which are all related to the QA topic. So this is the first was smoke testing versus sanity testing with real-time example. Okay, and how to scroll tables using Selenium WebDriver and Java. Okay, this is the Selenium practice related post. Here you can see there are a lot of posts are available. You can check this later. Okay, so let me show you one of the post how it's look like. So just click on this post. So here you can see this is the post related to the smoke testing versus sanity testing and with the real-time example. So I believe most of the people are getting confused while during the interview, right? So so this is the very simple explanation I tried to cover. So here you can see the smoke testing and sanity testing are types of a software testing. You can read here, and but they focus on different purposes, right? So here you can see the difference between this is about the smoke testing, and just below of this here you can see the explanation of the sanity testing. So let's try to understand the smoke testing. So here you can see I tried to segregate the info of the smoke testing in different categories. Here you can see the purpose of the smoke testing and when it's used, right, and the scope of this smoke testing and real-time example. So you can go through this later. Okay, so this is the very uh, in very simple language, and you can try to remember this. Okay, So this is the sanity testing purpose to verify that specific bugs or issues are fixed and that no further problems have been introduced. It's a very language. It's a very simple language. You can always always you can just prepare this and just go to the your interview. Okay, it will help you. So in short, again, in short, the smoke testing, general health check of the application. And what is the sanity testing? It's just focused on the check, or it's just focused on the specific changes. So yeah, this is about this post, and also there is the section to just add your comments with your you can add your comments using your Google accounts. Just you need to sign in your Google accounts, then you can able to add your or post your comments if you want any more clarification, right? So if you have any queries, you can post those queries under this section, comment section. Okay, so there are lots of posts I have prepared so far. You can revisit later. So just coming to the topic, to the blogs. So this is the one of the section, right? Search by tags. Again, I also added the hyperlinks of the YouTube channel so that you can access from this blog itself. So this is about the interview tips. Just you need to click here, so it will start. And so here you can see it just started. You can also expand it. You can also expand it. Just let me show you. Yeah, it is. So I'm not going to play all video, so you can see, or you can go through the this video later. Okay, so this is the social media related channels. You can also subscribe us on the YouTube channel. You can also follow us on the Facebook channel, Facebook page, and you can also follow us on the Instagram. Okay, so let's just scroll down to the page. Here you can see you can also do your subscription with your yeah, personal email ID, so that you will get a post notification whenever I post on new blogs. Okay, so this all about also we need these kind of pages for each block, right? So I have created the home, disclaimer, privacy policy, and terms and conditions related pages. Let me show you one of the page. This is the home page. So you can it will navigate to the home page, and this is related to the privacy policy. Here you can see this page I have been created, the privacy policy document I have been created. So this is all about guys my blog. So thanks, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.